Secure excellent marks in Social Studies exam with target standard 10 perfect notes for history and geography. The books are based on the latest syllabus and paper pattern of the Maharashtra State Board. An overview in the form of flowcharts, tables and pointers is provided in the books for a quick recap. With textbook exercises, in-text questions, and additional questions for practice, the books follow a question-answer format. For history and political science, image and paragraph-based questions are covered extensively. And in geography, ample map and graph-based questions are provided. At the end of every lesson, you can evaluate yourself with the chapter assessments. Latest solved board question paper and a model question paper are also included. Secure the top spot in the SSC board exam with target.